love you. I have something for you.
What is it?
Not so fast. Close your eyes.
My eyes are closed.
No cheating.
My eyes are closed.
What brought you here?
I want to be the greatest king that ever lived. I want to be the most feared, respected. I want to be deadlier than any famous king that ever lived in the 9 clans of Imo. What's so funny?
A child that sees his father lying in the mud and decides to clean his body while he still lies in the mud is a lunatic.
What are you trying to say?
Have you heard the story of a tortoise and a goat with a fat stomach?
Ezenwai, I did not come here to listen to any story. I am here to fortify myself. Can you do it?
I can do it. But it will cost life.
Life?
A special woman will be involved.
I can get you my slave boys. Do you need them?
The life of a slave boy will not work. I suggest you get me a seer or a woman with extraordinary powers. A woman who can see the spirits and the living.
A woman with extraordinary powers.
If
you have nothing to say, let me go back to the kitchen.
I think his life is not safe.
Oh?
My husband.
Are you here to mock me or remind me that you snatched him away from me?
But that is not why I am here.
Sister, sorry, Your Majesty, please allow me enjoy the peace I have given to myself. Oh?
Are you still angry with me?
Am I still angry that you smashed the man who was to marry me? Yes, I am still very angry.
I'm so sorry. But you know you will get another man. You're very beautiful.
Why are you here?
I had a terrible dream about him last night.
Go home and tell him not to take the path he's about to take. It is a path of doom. But if he fails to listen to this warning, then he will die by the sword of a woman.
What is it? A woman with extraordinary powers. Ndo, I have an idea.
And what is it?
Enumeji.
What?
Yes.
Are you out of your mind? My prince, do you want to die? Ojugo will invoke evil spirit to torment you to death.
She's only a seer. She cannot harm me if she knows. Besides, I will be the strongest and invisible by the time she realizes that I used her mother for ritual.
My prince, I'm sorry. I'm not going to be part of that. Let us look for another way.
And which other way?
We can go to Aruchuku. Or to any other town to look for such woman.
I have made up my mind.
In that case, I'm going home. If you think that's a good decision for you, I'm not going to be part of this.
So be it. By the time my dreams comes to reality, my joy will be complete. Annie. Annie. Yes.
On my way here, I met Annie. He tried to strangle me. And he said he was going to kill you.
My love, that shouldn't bother you.
It should. I am worried. I am so scared.
You don't need to be scared. And he cannot kill me. He can't. Listen, if he threatens me one more time, I will report him to the king.
My love, I saw him in my dreams.
Can you recall the dream?
Yes. He stabbed me to death.
Does it mean our sacrifice of blood was not accepted by the gods? How can we have the same dream in one night?
You had the same dream too?
Yes, I did. This is a sign. A sign that...
A sign that I will die soon? So I will die untimely. I will join my mother without fulfilling my purpose in life.
No.
Without spending the rest of my life with you.
No. Nothing will happen to you, my love. Nothing. The gods will not allow you to die. Remember what you said, the seer told you. She said, we are going to spend the rest of our lives together. If you are going to die young, she would have seen it.
My love, things change. Terrible things can happen anytime. Don't you get it?
My love, don't say that. You will live for me. Nothing will happen to you. I will bring wine to your father's house very soon.
I'm just scared.
Don't be.
I'm so scared.
Don't be. Alright? You will live for me. You will live long for me. You will have my children. Stop.
Jesus.
Don't be scared. Nothing.
My husband, you need to hear this.
What is it?
I saw you in my dream die by the sword of a seer.
That is the reason I need to make this ritual.
What ritual?
An important ritual.
And what are you people still doing here?
Leave.
So you have decided to leave your friend in hard times.
I did not leave you. I only told you how dangerous your plan is. And I still stand by it.
Anyway, the woman is already in my trap.
How did you do it?
That is because I'm the smartest. You will follow me to go and see Eze Wine.
That's not possible.
Are you scared of going with me?
I'm not scared of anybody. But you can't see her today. As you can see, I'm going to do something in my farm.
Undo, are you saying we cannot see Eze Wine?
I cannot follow you to see Eze Wine. Let us wait until half a day.
Where's the woman? Back. My prince, there's a problem.
What?
I saw a stranger killing those men who are keeping the woman in the bush.
What?
Yes, my prince.
No! No!
Why can't I see anything? Why can't I see anything? Oh, mother. Did you find her?
The 5 guards and 5 warriors I couldn't find her. I'm afraid she's dead.
No. My mother cannot be dead.
We had to find her in the palace so I could take her off you as my wife.
My mother is missing. Presumed dead by you. And you stand here and talk nonsense. I have to see it all. I have to see it all. Why can't I see anything? Why? Mother! Mother!
You must be Ojubu. Is she your mother?
Yes. What happened to her?
So, you finally brought her back when the girls fled your plans.
What?
Do not pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
And I don't know what you're talking about.
You brought her back because you heard her man guards and warriors at every path in this clan.
Are you accusing me of kidnapping her?
Yes! Mother-in-law!
Stop it!
Commit an atrocity!
I want to believe you, Jockey.
What happened to Bunny?
Who do you think you are? Do I look like a clown? You dare talk back at me like that? How dare you talk to me in such manner?
Because you're talking rubbish. And listen, I will never allow you to slap me again.
And I will slap you again if you talk back at me.
Strangers. Where I come from, strangers are not treated this way.
Dad! Dad! Bind him and take him to the cage! Bind him!
Suzu! Hit your head on the wall. It's not by your bigger hair. I believe you're a prince.
I am a prince, you fool!
Act like a man. Stop acting like you're a drunk. Stop being rude to strangers. I know your prince has sent you, and I know you are not a lunatic. After saving a woman from the hands of kidnappers, your prince won't be dead. Is that how stupid you are? Get out! Go down or I'll shoot you! Stop it! I said down. I will spare your life. Now go back to your prince and tell him to learn how to treat strangers. What are you doing on the ground? I told you to go and catch that idiot. And you're here? Where is he? Even the guards of your land knows I have done nothing wrong to you. Learn how to treat strangers. What are you doing? Go and catch him. Okay, my prince. Go and catch that fool. Go after. Bring me that fool, my prince. Are you mad? Go after that fool. Go after him. My prince, what are you doing? He's with God. I said go after him now. Okay, sir. Okay, I command you, go and take that food.
My prince, what are you doing here by this time of the night?
Trouble brought me here. Under trouble.
What happened?
A stupid man from nowhere saved the seer's mother.
How did this happen? I mean, how did the man overpower your guards? I mean, your men?
No, I am not here to answer any questions. Take me to Easy Wine this night. Right now.
Now?
Yes, I need to see her to ask what to do.
I'm sorry, my prince. We can't go to the wise place by this time. If it was easy, you should have gone there immediately it happened.
Ndo, are you trying to put the blame on me? But you told me she can only be seen on aftermarket days. Don't put the blame on me, Ndo.
My prince, I am not trying to blame you. But what I am saying is, we cannot see Ezenwai by this time of the night. We cannot.
Ndo, does Ezenwai not know that I am the prince of this land? The next king of this land? My friend, get over, let's go.
My prince, we can't go there. We shall see her at Fort Cruise.
I am waiting for you outside. Come.
Ezenwai, please, what do we do? What do we do, please?
The ritual is in 2 days. And I don't know anywhere else to get another woman with extraordinary power.
Is the woman dead?
No. You said she shall not get home once I kidnap her. But one idiot has taken her home.
You have to find another woman with a special power. I will give you more time to do that. But remember, the earlier, the better. I can see untimely deaths crawling faster and closer to you.
Easy wine. I can get Ojugo. Yes, her daughter, Lysia, she has special powers.
I'll be waiting, but make sure she has not been defiled. And make sure her heart is not with another man.
I will kill any man that stands on my way.
I wish you luck.
Here's a wine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Who is the young man that saved me? I do not know his name, Mother. Is he not from this clan? No. I don't even know where he came from. We have to look for him and thank him. Very well, Mother. But you must eat something first and rest a bit more.
My prince, how do you intend to get Ojugo? You know she's too powerful. She might see this coming.
Undo, my friend. Very easy. I will make her my wife, and that will make the journey easier for me. You like that?
My prince, people say your father the king is smart. But I think you're smarter.
Undo, my very good friend. This is the first time in many years you are saying something meaningful on this head.
My prince, I will help you in any way to get this done.
Thank you very much. And adding to that, I will send you to Ojugo with a special gift. Special one.
Yes, that would be good. It's a great one.
He's from Amiye. He's a hunter.
A hunter? He might not be the only hunter in Amiye.
You are right, Mother.
Tell her more will come from me to her soon.
My prince, she will hear.
Yes, I know.
Who is the woman?
Which woman?
The woman you sent gifts to.
Stupid question.
This stupidity has to stop. It has to stop.
Have this. When you see him, tell him I will come and see him when I fully recover. Very well, Mother. Go well. Thank you.
What would I tell this seer? What if she had foreseen this before now? That means I will be in trouble. She might even lay curse on me. And I will die just like that. Mpan, no, I will not die. No, I can't just die. No, I can't die like that. No.
Did you find him?
No. I do not even think that place exists. Did you go to Amiyi? I went to Amiyi, mother. I asked and asked. No one seems to understand who I'm talking about. Oh.
Our future queen. Have you been here for long?
Who is the woman?
What woman?
I heard everything my husband told you. Who is the woman?
My future queen, I'm under an oath not to talk about it.
What if I let you mount me?
Huh?
Would you still tell me? I will let you swim in my river for as long as you want.
My future queen. But your husband will kill me if he finds out.
Would you be so stupid to tell him? Come, let us go inside. I will let you swim in my river for as long as you want.
You have been saying it went well. It went well. How well did it go? I want to know.
My friends. I told you, you went swear. And she was very happy. Asked me to thank you for the gift.
Do you think she likes the gifts?
Like? She was excited. She was, tell the prince, I will come and see him anywhere he wants.
That's the point. That is where I'm going to.
That's what you want.
But, did she really say that?
My prince, which woman will receive wonderful gifts like that from a prince? With this kind of move, and will reject the prince's offer. She cannot reject your request.
Woman, where are you coming from?
The seer. She is the woman. She said she is taken. And she said you should not upset her again.
And that if you ever disturb her again, your left ear is a story.
He's close. Simply, very close. How closer could he be that is far from us?
Greetings.
He's the one. Obiaso.
Thank God. I am glad you have fully recovered.
Thank you for saving me.
Thank the gods for bringing me here at the right time. I brought this for you.
Thank you. You're a very kind man. Sit.
Thank you.
Ojugo. Get him something to eat.
Oh, don't worry about food. I'm fine. I came to see you.
You have done well.
Let us get you some palm wine. Our palm wine tapper brought some palm wine to us this morning. And I know you won't refuse my wine.
Alright, I'll take a little from it.
I'll just go and get him some wine. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank the gods.
The man who saved her will bring your doom if you didn't stop him from entering your kingdom.
I will do just that.
Go and do that now. Then you come back for us to discuss about the ritual.
No, I would like the ritual to be done first. So I will be fully fortified before I face such person.
Then bring the woman here.
The woman? But you say she can no longer be used for the ritual.
I am still talking. It's only a woman whose name is being mentioned for the ritual will be used.
I'm still confused.
There is nothing to be confused about. Go and do as I just mentioned. What a doomed, stupid of a king you will become.
I will come on AK Day to see you.
And I will prepare snail soup for you. You will not reject it.
I will come with an empty stomach.
That's okay.
Alright.
Alright, go well.
Thank you.
Let me see him off, madam. It's alright.
My prince, please. Can you wait so we can talk about this? That woman is not real. That woman is confused. And I, Prince Annie, do not let her confuse me. Everything she said there was fake! Rubbish!
My prince. Can I make a suggestion?
If you are trying to tell me to go back to that woman, you are lying. Because she's fake!
My prince! My prince!
But I did come looking for you today.
Oh, did you?
Yes.
So you came to thank me for saving your mother. You shouldn't have bothered coming.
Well, I did. I also came to give papers.
Thank you. This suit.
What suits you?
Love suit.
So you're in love with me already?
Yes. And I know you're also in love with me.
Do you not have a woman back home?
Nope. I don't have any.
Very well then. Thank you for saving my mother's life.
You've said that before.
No. I also want to say I'm sorry about the way Prince Ubani treated you that day.
I've forgotten about that a long time ago. So, I have to be on my way.
Very well then. May the gods lead your path. Wait. Will you still come to see me on a market day like you promised?
Yes.
Go well.
You will not force me into bringing a curse upon my head.
I saw the look in your eyes.
Dad, he said he will come to see me on AKD.
I know he is a very kind man.
Mother, I wish he would come tomorrow. He's so charming. You really love him? He's a good person, Mother.
I hope he feels the same way.
Tell me, did you see the look in his eyes?
May it be well with both of you.
Oh, I said, Mother.
My prince. My prince. My prince, wait, please. My prince. My prince. Here you are trying to allow anger put you in trouble. My prince, don't you want to be the greatest? Don't you want to be invincible again? Are you going to leave yourself vulnerable for your enemies?
What do I do?
We have to go back to S and Y and talk to her.
I cannot go back to that woman and beg her. Oh, Prince.
My prince, I didn't say you would beg her.
So what are you talking about?
We'll ask her for the solution. I believe she will listen to us.
Ezenwa, please, we need to talk.
You walked out on me.
Not really. No, we went to deliberate. Ezenwa, please. Is there not any other way we can do this? Because my prince needs to be fortified before Ofala. He needs to battle the man you foresaw with a strong charm on his body.
There is a solution. But a difficult one. He must sleep with a virgin girl who did not suckle her mother's breast.
What kind of a difficult solution is that? Just tell me you don't want to help me. What's your problem?
Yes, calm down. You are the one that needs solution here. You have to calm down.
Please,
You can leave if you don't want
No.
to.
Ezenwa, he's ready. He's ready.
You are ready. Yes. Tell you are the one looking for solution. Tell you are ready.
Ezenwa, I'm ready.
Get me her pubic hair and her first blood when you do it.
Thank you, wise one. Thank you.
Now you know she doesn't want to help me.
Please wait. I'm thinking. Please.
Keep thinking. I'm going home.
Wait. I have an idea. In fact, the solution.
And what is it?
My father told me that Ijego's mother died while giving birth to her.
So?
And that she was raised by another woman.
No. Are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes, I'm very sure. My prince. The problem here is that Ijego is in love with another man. I mean, a man from Aruchuku.
Undo, my friend, leave that for me to handle. Thank you very much for this vital information.
My prince,
No, it's...
Etiko! 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 No! Etiko! 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 No! No!
May the gods forbid. May the gods forbid. Nothing will happen to Diego, my love. Nothing. Nothing.
What is it?
So you finally betrayed me.
Betrayed you? What are you talking about?
You want to know what I'm talking about? You want to know?
What kind of dream is this? Stabbed to death. Agua. Hey.
Eke, Ori, Afo, Nkwo. May the new day bring life, prosperity, and good health. Anyone who thinks my head is good for a sacrifice should first use his own head.
Greetings, Father.
Nay, you overslept again today.
I'm sorry, Father. I kept having this same dream all through the night. A huge man tried to kill me in my dream. He actually stabbed me in my dream to death.
I had the same dream.
You did?
Yes. And I keep wondering why Annie will want to kill you.
Father, you saw Annie too? It was him who attacked me in my dream.
Oh, Nay, let me ask you. Did you collect any gift from him in the past?
Father, I have never collected anything from him. Never!
It's okay. I think I will see a medicine man concerning this. Just go and sweep the compound. Gods of our forefathers.
What brings a good man here? You totally forgot me.
My daughter's life is in danger.
Please sit.
Thank you. We have had several dreams of fire being slaughtered like an animal.
A wicked royal blood will rise up to seek her blood and make himself invincible.
Will he succeed in his quest?
All these have been destined to come to reality.
My daughter will die after all.
Unfortunately, she was born to bring tears to whomever that will be her husband.
It is obvious. Nothing can be done to avert this?
You seem to have answers to the question before coming. A day would come when you will remember this dream. A day would come.
Wise one, what dream?
Reality. Reality would answer that question. Only reality.
Reality will answer that question. Reality will answer that question. Who are you?
I connect you to reality through dream.
My prince,
What?
this woman is pointing a charm at you.
What woman? I warned you boy to stop taking lots of time when forget out with me. I want you boys!
I'm sorry, my prince.
You will certainly come back to me. Certainly you will.
Who are you?
I am your spirit wife. And I have come to ask that.
I forbid you to use that word.
I am not done talking to you. I want to have a child. I want to have a child with you. I have waited. I've waited for so long. I want you. My body. My soul. Everything wants you. I crave for you.
If you repeat that rubbish again, I'm order my guards to beat you up. Now get out!
My husband, what is it?
Dad! Dad! Dad!
Yes, my prince.
Take this woman away from here. Take her away from here. This woman. Take her away!
My husband, have you started seeing her ghost?
But she...
Etiko! Hey! Nate, come. Hey, whoa. Wait. Hey! Etiko! So this is you. Hey! Thank God it was not a reality. Hey!
Nedi, what is it?
Etiko, I had a terrible dream about you. Yes.
For help. But before Kanu came, you
Ned, speak up.
You were already... Etiko, you were already there.
What happened to her?
I don't know.
Etiko, what happened to her?
Some men attacked us.
Etiko!
Hey!
Amadio! Etiko! Don't.
Hey!
Etiko! Amadio! Somebody help me!
It was not like dream. It was so real that I woke up crying. Honestly.
You had the same dream?
Yes.
My father did. And I saw myself stabbed to death in my own dream.
Etiko, this is not good though. You have to do something about it.
What do you suggest I do?
I suggest you go and see a missing man. Maybe he might make some sacrifice to stop this from coming to pass.
Just a few weeks ago, Kanu and I made a sacrifice of blood.
And I'm telling you that Kanu is not a Dibia. Etiko, you have to go and see a Dibia. This is a matter of life and death.
I know what to do.
What do you want to do?
So you came back to this land after insulting me?
Ubani, not here, not now, not anymore. Please stop.
Where'd you go? I want to see you aside.
As you can see, I am with someone. Let's go, Biaso.
I will kill this man. I certainly will.